to this tutorial for Parentsquare for Employees. How Parentsquare works. Parentsquare is an app used on smartphones and the internet where normally teachers and staff can share school-related news on Parentsquare. In this situation, El Rancho Unified School District would like to share district-related news through the Parentsquare app, where employees can receive, respond, and sign up and get automated reminders, where everywhere and everyone has easy access to all interactions in all one place. Step 1. Go to your internet browser and type in parentsquare.com. Once on the Parentsquare app, look for the Sign In section. In Step 2, click on the Sign In with Google at the bottom of this section. Step 3, make sure to sign into Parentsquare using your district email address that ends in erusd.org. Enter in your district email password and click the blue button Next. Step 5, you may be asked to confirm your account information. Double check that that is your name, that El Rancho Unified School District is the organization, and that your email for the district is correct. In Step 5, click on the green Confirm button. You may receive an email via your district email that invites you from the Aries Communications to activate your account. In this case, click on the Activate Your Account blue button in your email. You are to verify your email account through Parentsquare by receiving a verification code, again via email from Aries Communication. Look for the 6-digit or character code and type that code into the verification code field and click the blue button Confirm. This will confirm your email and show in green that email has been verified. At this stage, in Step 7, you will click the Yes, This Is Me confirmation button. It'll ask you one more time to confirm your contact information. Click on the blue Yes, I'm Positive in Step 8. You may wait a few seconds for your account information to be confirmed, but eventually you should see a dashboard much like this one that states you have entered into your account under the El Rancho Unified School District. You'll see that at the top. In Step 9, you will look to the left-hand side of the navigation pane and look to the bottom of the left-hand side where it says Participate. Under Participate, look for the words Groups, and click on the blue Groups button. In Step 10, once in the Groups section of Parentsquare, look for the group titled ERUSD IT Alerts and look for the blue button labeled Join. Step 10, click the Join blue button. Congratulations! When you get to this screen, it will give you a green notification that you have successfully joined the group. We encourage all of our staff to download the Parentsquare app today to stay involved with your employee learnings and activities at ERUSD from everywhere. Here's a QR code from Apple App Store as well as one from Google Play to download the app today. Thank you for participating in our tutorial of Parentsquare app for employees.